So I'm going to do the last half an hour on Ayurveda. According to Ayurveda, what you eat and what goes into your stomach, it affects the mind. What happens to your mind decides what happens to your aura. And depending upon whether your aura is beautiful or not, white or black, strong or weak, that's what is a reflection of what kind of a life you are living right now. So if this is garbage, this becomes garbage. And when the mind is anger and greed and sex and all of everything, nothing negative about sex, but it's just the bad kind of sex, like just all the time you want it. So when the mind is tamasic, your aura is tamasic, there is no way anybody can want you to be anywhere around them. I was shooting for a new movie 10 years ago. On the first day, I was sitting with the director and talking to him inside the studio. And the studio is really big. As I'm talking to him, I saw this big black ball of energy walk into the room, into the studio. I could feel it. It was really big and it was black. I was talking to the director. That energy kept coming towards us. I was hoping it wouldn't come to us, but it came and stood right here. I looked at him and the director said, "Oh, meet this guy. He is going to play your brother for the next 1 year." That guy needed a lot of Kundalini yoga. So it's really simple. It starts with what you eat. It's the beginning. Because even if I tell you, you cannot control whether your thought is positive or negative, because if you've eaten garbage, your thought will have to be garbage. That's a given. Does anybody have any questions so far?
So the question is, for those in the back who can't hear, how to be humble and a lion.
I don't know why people think lions are rude. Why do you think that? I'm a lion for sure. I'm a very dangerous lion. But I'm the most humble lion you'll ever see in your life. You're asking a question, I am the answer. It is possible. And that is the best combination in the world. My grandfather taught me one thing. It is really important. The most expensive fruit and the most beautiful fruit in India is the mango. I'm going to tell you first how we said it in our language, then I will translate for you. When the mangoes come on the mango tree and it's full of the mangoes, the tree bends in humility. So the larger you get and the more humble you get, the more powerful, the more power you have. That is the quality of a true lion.